Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel. I hope you're all doing really well and you've had successful sewing weeks. And today I wanted to share with you my fabric and trimming finds that I found in Dunelm on my last couple of trips. And I found some absolute gems and I thought you'd love to see them too, so here we are. Before we start though, I do want to share with you some exciting news that my sewing Christmas gift guides are now live over on my blog. So if you head over to uneditedlife.club, I'll leave the link down below in the description box, then you can see a collection of different gift guides for every type of sewist that exists. I'll put some pictures up here of some that I've put together. I've had so much fun making them, and I really truly think you're going to find something there for every ability of sewist. There's even a children's sewing gift guide, and there's even an ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing gift guide on there too, so do check it out. I've loved putting them together and I hope they're really useful for you guys too. Now Christmas is coming, and that means Christmas party wear is also on its way in, and as you can see from a mannequin behind me, I've got this gorgeous halter neck and backless maxi dress. It's bodycon, it's glittery, it's elegant, and it's just gorgeous, and I cannot wait to share with you the making process of that one. But I'm definitely planning on wearing this one to one of my Christmas do's, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I also have some plans to make a couple of other evening dresses, so I can't wait to show you those as well. So if you don't want to miss those, then I would highly suggest that you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you're alerted when my new video comes live. So without further ado guys, let's get on into the fabric haul. Now I'm going to show you one of the fabric pieces first, and this piece is stunning. Let me just tell you now, the price that I paid for this as well, it was a sale price, but even the full price actually was really reasonable. And it's definitely a more heavier weight fabric, but it's this gorgeous, I would say it's upholstery fabric just because of the weight of it, but it has this very light shimmery metallic colour on this creamy goldy background with these embroidered, what look like sort of twigs of trees. I mean, how stunning is that? It looks absolutely beautiful. Now my plan for this is to make cushions for my living room, because I just think this just looks so expensive and so elevated. But I also think this would look really lovely as a sort of Chanel styled jacket, or a matching mini skirt with that jacket would be absolutely gorgeous as well actually. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning, and just the quality of it is just amazing. And like I said, it was on sale. I think I got about 2 meters of this because that's all that was left. But I'll see if I can find either this one or something similar linked down below, just because I think it's an absolute steal. I think it looks really expensive, and yeah, I just love it. Now I bought a couple of trimming pieces as well that I thought would look beautiful with this as well. The first of which is this gorgeous, almost like cording really. The other piece of trimming that I absolutely fell in love with is this gorgeous pink fringing, and it's very slightly metallic, but it's this beautiful quality because it has a very thick amount of fringing and it just looks lovely, just absolutely stunning. Now I'm debating because I don't really have pink in many other rooms other than this room, which is my dressing room, but I think that combination could look very nice. But let me know what you think, because I'm a little bit undecided on it, to be honest, because I don't really want to go for a really girly vibe, although I do like a girly vibe every now and then. But also, if you guys have any ideas on what you would, oh it's so soft, on what you would use this for other than sort of cushion edging, I would love to know. Because at the minute I've only got cushion trim on my mind when I look at this, but I'm sure there's other things I could do with this. They do have this in other colours. They have this in, I think in like a pewter, which I think I've got wrapped up still, I'll show you that in a moment, and navy colour and a goldish colour. They didn't have the gold in stock, but I'm on my mission to collect all of them. I believe this was about £4 a metre. and like I said, it's just really, really pretty, and I couldn't not buy it. So I'm going to show you another fabric piece. And when I saw the price on this is also £4 a metre on the reduced section. But when I saw this, I just thought this is ridiculously cheap for the level of quality. And it's this lovely, I would say, upholstery fabric in this very bright white with embroidered leaves on it. And it's just absolutely stunning. I just thought this, with an absolutely beautiful white, all white bedding, all the different textures, this would be a beautiful big cushion with matching ruffles to go all around the edge, like giant ruffles, like going big with the ruffles. Again, I've got 2 meters of this one, and like I said, it is a heavier weight fabric, but I just couldn't resist. I'm not quite sure that I would wear this as a garment fabric, but a corset actually in this could also look really nice, or even as a shirt, like a heavier weight shirt, that would also look very nice. But yeah, my plan is to make really big frilly cushions with them, and I probably will have some more left over, so if you guys have any ideas on what else I could make with this gorgeous fabric, then do let me know. Now I'm going to show you a couple of my pieces of trim that I found. It's again stunning. So I wanted to actually jazz up a couple of my old towels. Now, I don't know if you're weird like me, I love crunchy towels, and I know like most people on the hunt for the softest towel, and me, I'm on the hunt for the crispiest towel. I essentially, all my new towels, I put them on a really high heat wash because I want to make them really crunchy. Anyway, tangent aside, I like crunchy towels, and I've got a couple of towels that are just very plain in my towel storage, and I found this trim and I thought it would look absolutely beautiful on the edging of my towel. So I only got ½ metre of this, but there is one towel in particular that I have my mind on that I want to use this for, so I'm going to be jazzing up one of my towels with this. And then this is the silvery version of the pink fringing that I showed you earlier. Again, love it. To be honest, it could also look quite nice with silver. Maybe a bit too cool toned actually for those combinations, but again, I thought this was really cute. Again, not sure what else I could use it for, but I do really love it, and probably will use it for a cushion at some point. But yeah, I got quite a bit of this, so I'm stocked up. And this trim, I just, again, don't have a reason for it, but I just thought it was really beautiful. It's really thin, delicate. I thought this is a trim along maybe a shirt or some sort of ruffle top around the neck, or nice little cuffs around the sleeves. Again, got 3 meters of this, but I just like the delicate nature of this, and I think it's just so simple, so versatile, and go with so many different projects. I didn't mind buying it without having a particular project in mind. So, perfect. Now guys, you're gonna love this one. We are going fully festive with this piece of fabric. Now, oh my gosh, you could probably see it reflecting on my face. Now, this is probably going to be a love it or hate it kind of vibe, and I'm going to be careful because I think this might go everywhere. But I got this sequined fabric because I thought it was just amazingly festive for the Christmas time. So I got this gorgeous sequin fabric, and it's fully gold one way, and then rose gold on the other. How stunning is that? I mean, I just can't. Now, I don't know what to make with it, and I've never sewn with sequins before, but from the amount of dropout from the cut edges, I think this is going to be quite a challenging thing to work with. But I'm up for the challenge, and I think it's going to be really worth it. These colour tones definitely go with my skin tone because they're kind of on the warmer side rather than the very metallic silvery colours that don't seem to work with me. But oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Now I got half a metre of this because I don't want a full dress in it. I think it would just be too much. I think a very fancy top would look really nice with this. But I'm going to be doing some Pinterest research and seeing what elegant sort of sequined tops I can find, and see if we can jazz it up, maybe with some puff sleeves, something along those lines. Again, I would love to take your suggestions because, again, not done this before, and I'm expecting to get through quite a few sewing machine needles with this fabric. But this is definitely up there on probably one of the best fabrics I've ever bought. Now I also got some crafty bits from Hobbycraft, which I will show you again in a moment, but while we're on the topic of Dunelm, I found some really lovely curtains. I found a couple of blinds which are still in my car, I need to get that out, but I also found a lot of curtains on sale, and they were actually some really good drop lengths. So they're both on 228 centimetre curtains. And in my opinion, my favourite is this lovely embroidered floral curtain, which I just thought is absolutely stunning. Again, I will need to cut it down, but how beautiful is that? How beautiful. And I think it was half price from £18 to £9. So I thought that was an absolute steal. Now let's move on to Hobbycraft, where I bought a couple of Christmassy, festive, crafty bits. Did that make sense? Festive Christmas supplies, you know what I mean. But yeah, not all of them are festive. I'll go through my just general stash that I bought. So this was only £2, as you can see from the very big sticker, but I bought this because I thought this would look really nice either as bias binding or some edging on lots of different crafts, and it's this beautiful floral sort of bluey green trim, and I thought as a bias binding or yeah, like I said, just trim on anything really. I thought that would just look really pretty. And I think for £2 there was 5 meters. Yeah, there's 5 meters in there, so I thought that was a steal. And then I got a lot of rickrack. So I've not really used rickrack before, and I wasn't sure what colour to get it in, but I thought if I get a few, then we can get real creative. So let me put them all side by side because I bought quite a few different colours. Here we are. So I got this cream colour, I got the hot pink, I got a lilac and a blue, which actually is slightly smaller and has these polka dot bits on them. But because I've not really used them before and I want to play around a bit with colour matching and stuff, I decided to get a bit of everything. I also got this, which is just some plain jute, pattern jute, and actually I want to make a garland for Christmas with this to put across the fireplace, so I bought that one. This one I just saw and fell in love with because it's just so beautiful. It's again very delicate bluey green with like a gold metallic colour running through. I got sucked in, what can I say? And this one I just thought was really cute. I thought I would maybe use this for something in my sewing room just as decoration because I just thought it was really cute. It's essentially a ribbon, but it looks like a tape measure. It's always the simple things, always the simple things. And then, like I was saying about the Christmassy garland, I actually bought this as well for autumn. I haven't used it, so I will just save it for next year. But I got lots of different coloured felt. So I've got the autumnal colours, I got some Christmassy colours, and yeah, I thought I would just get really creative with felt this year because I've seen some inspiration from places like Wilko actually that's done some really interesting things, and I think I can probably amp that up a little bit and make it even more fun. But yeah, just loads of different colours of these, and to be honest I think it's just worth having in your craft room stash anyway, so I didn't have any felt before. That was a good little thing to add to my sewing stash. So guys, that's everything that I picked up from Dunelm. If you want to watch some more fabric haul videos, I'm going to leave a playlist over on this side, and if you want to watch some free sewing pattern videos, then I'll leave a video over on this side here. But until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!